Hi, and welcome to this quick tool review. In this tool review, I will be reviewing various taper adapters, taper to thread adapters. I have a couple R8, one R8 to 3/8 24 and one R8 to 1/2 20 threads. I have two Morse taper 3 to 3/8 24 and a Morse taper 4 to 3/8 24. The Morse taper 4 fits in the tailstock of my lathe. It's ground on both sides, so this top side is perpendicular to this side, so you can make tooling that fits in the tailstock of your lathe. For my example, these guys, these R8 adapters, will go in the quill in my mill, and if I build on my lathe, I turn like one of these guys, a round insert, and have a matching alignment hole on something I'm working on, I can drop this down into it and set up the alignment very quickly. It'll only be accurate to within a few thousandths, but then you can take your coaxial indicator out if you need better accuracy, and you'll be within a few thousandths and you'll dial it in really quickly. So it locates it very quickly. The MT3 guys fit in the center of my rotary table, and one of the uses is this big guy here, for example. This big guy screws on the top and helps me align my 3-jaw chuck really quickly. Fits in the bottom. It's precision turned and fits within a thousandth or two of the bottom of the chuck. Another useful feature is to take one of these 1-inch holes that 1-inch rounds that I've drilled and tapped, and they help you align fixtures within a few thousandths. So once you've got this guy aligned using this piece and dropping, oh, I didn't go into this yet. So another way to align the rotary table first before you even get to that part is to use a Weldon shank 1-inch, which is what diameter this is, a Weldon shank R8 adapter on the mill, put it in the quill, put this 1-inch section into the Weldon shank and tighten it down. You leave the rotary table loose, and you drop this down with the quill and push it into the center. It'll align this. Then you hit zeros on your digital readout, and now you've got it centered within a few thousandths. If you need better accuracy, then you take your coaxial indicator and dial it in the last few thousandths. Then once that's done and you strap this guy down, then I go to the next size and put this in here, and as I showed in one of my recent videos, I used that to align this guy with center, which is just a fixture I made. So these are really handy, and they're very inexpensive. They're anywhere between $8 and $20. The MT3 ones I got for $8. This one was like $18. They're available on eBay, various manufacturers. This is Z-Live Center. I've got some Shars and some no-name brands, but they're all seem to be pretty reasonable quality. So they're a really handy tool to have for quick alignment and to get you really close, because if you ever used a coaxial indicator and you don't have it very close to center, you've got to get it relatively close before you can get the bar to even touch all the way around. And me being clumsy as I am, this is a great way to get close fast. So thanks for watching. Hope it was useful. See you next time.